If you've lost access to your Terraform Cloud account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Terraform Cloud login page. Go to the Terraform Cloud login page in your web browser. This is where you will start the recovery process for your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Terraform Cloud account. Make sure to enter it correctly to ensure you receive the recovery email. Step 4. Check your email. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email. Open the email and follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once you have successfully reset your password, you should be able to log into your account. If you encounter any issues during the recovery process, consider reaching out to Terraform support for further assistance.